Hi guys, so I'm going to show you the easiest method to mirror your shape key in Blender. For example, like this character here, it took me a long time to create the blink for the left eye, and I want to mirror this to the right side. It's very easy. You can mirror it when you click on it. You can mirror the shape key on here, but you can see it doesn't affect also this. I want to have two blinks, one for the right eye and one for the left eye, and Blender does not give you that to duplicate the shape key. So I have a simple way I use to make this. So to do so, I'm going to shift plus D to duplicate the main body like this, and after that all of them will have the same shape key, you can see. And I'm going to select the one I duplicate, and I'm going to rename this one blink R. So with the one duplicate, I'm going to shift select the original body, and I'm going to click on here and click on transfer shape key. Right now when you select this, you can see this one has transferred to this side, but all of them has the same on the left eye. So click on this to unpin it, and now you can have this to blink, and click on this and mirror the shape key. Right now we can use this one for the right eye, and we can use this one for the left eye. So this is the easiest way of mirror and duplicating and mirror your shape key in Blender, and this one can save you a lot of time. So thank you for watching.